Hello everyone, today's menu will be everything spicy dry rub. This homemade rub is sweet, savory, and spicy, perfect for all your meats and veggies. So if you're ready, let's get mixing. Okay, in a small bowl, I'm going to add in some paprika, along with some onion powder, some oregano, and then with some cayenne pepper and some garlic powder. And then this right here is some Asian chili flakes, but you can go ahead and just use the red chili flake. And then some cumin. And then this is some sea salt, along with some freshly cracked black pepper. And then some good old brown sugar. And I'm just going to give it a mix, combine everything well. Oh boy, the spices smells delicious already. You can smell the sweetness, you can smell the spiciness, just the aroma of all these spices mixed together. And then all the exact measurements are in the description box down below. And this looks good. And then you can store this in an airtight glass container up to a year and put it on your favorite meats or veggies. And this is one of my favorite ways of using this dry rub. I like to use it on chicken breast, and I season both sides, front and the back, while slightly patting it down